people face the issue of loneliness. There are people that are married but they are lonely, and there are people that are not married, they are also lonely. So many of these people, what they do is they go online to seek for friendship, to seek for people that could chat them. And what they do is they go seeking for some websites and some apps that they can use to find people that could chat them up on the internet. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some apps and websites that you can actually sign up, chat with lonely people, and get paid up to $200. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your very first time of coming across online cashcraft, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. So like I said, stay with me. I'm going to show you some websites and some apps that you can log in, that you can sign up with and make money while chatting people on the internet. So guys, the very first platform I'm going to be introducing to you today is a platform that is called Phrendly.com. Now with Phrendly, you can access it anywhere you are in the world, and it is online only. The interesting part about this platform is that the moment you sign up, they're going to pay you $5. So this app is so amazing that so many people log into it, and they find the relationship they're looking for. Not just finding a relationship, you can just log into chat people and you get paid. So how does this platform work? All you need to do, you sign up to the platform, you find new friends, and you start chatting. Now let me advise you that if this is what you want to do, if you like this platform, try not to be the first person to send the message of a chat. Wait until someone sends you a message, then you start the chat. Otherwise, you're going to be charged. So there are people that are paid members on the platform. So when they send you a message to chat with you, you are not going to pay because they have already paid the subscription for the platform. Now you might ask me, how do you get paid? The way you get paid is if someone reaches out to you to chat with you, you are going to be paid, right? So that is how it works. The best way is put up a good profile that will attract people to want to reach out to you. Now, the moment they reach out to you, that they want to chat with you, you are going to be paid. And many people are making a lot of money using Phrendly. You just click on create an account, you sign up with your email address, just add your email address, then you create a display name, the name that everybody will see on the platform when they want to interact with you. Then you create a password, click on continue. But you can also sign up using your Facebook or Google account. These are the easiest ways you can sign up. So this platform is so easy to navigate. All right. So when you are done, click on continue to continue. And it says you have to be 18 or older because this is obviously an adult platform. Yeah. Okay, so this is how this works. So another one is ZTalk. ZTalk is an app that you download and you chat on the app. The good thing about ZTalk is it is free. And as you're chatting, you're getting paid because people are going to contact you to chat with you. And that is how you make the money using ZTalk. Please bear in mind that every of the platforms I'm mentioning, I am going to link the link in the description so that it will be easy for you to just click on it and log into the platform. Many of us know that there are people that want to go somewhere like parties and all of that, but they don't want to go alone. So what do? There is a platform that is called RentAFriend. So when you go to RentAFriend, let's say you have somewhere you want to go and you want the company of someone. When you sign up to this platform, somebody can actually contact you and rent you as a friend, either to go to a party with them or to go to an event with them or anything they want to do, you know. So this RentAFriend platform, so many people are using RentAFriend to find company, to find somebody that with them. Now, as you are contacted by somebody who has a profile on RentAFriend, you are going to be paid. This is how it works. So when you click on join now and select the type of user you want to be on the world's largest RentAFriend website. So you can either become a member or you become a friend. If you are looking to rent a friend, you want to become a member, right? If you are looking to get rented and earn money, you want to become a friend. So you understand how it works. If you click on become a friend, you are going to earn money, right? So make up your mind the one you want and be careful which one that you're selecting. If you're a member, you are the one that will pay to rent a friend. Now you're going to create your profile and you start earning. If you want to earn money, then you click on sign up as a friend for hire. As a friend for hire, that is the one you're going to click on and you start earning. So with YouAndMe, you get paid weekly, and you just put up your profile, people will contact you, you chat with them, and you get paid. This is how the YouAndMe platform works, and you're going to meet new people. Right, so YouAndMe is another one that you get paid, but this one you get paid weekly, and you get paid a lot of money. It's an app as well. You video chat one-on-one with YouAndMe. Sign up and create your own profile. Okay, now you can download on the App Store. That is it, and you start chatting on one-on-one, and you start earning money. This is how it works. Like I said, you meet new people, and 100% anonymous if you do not want to be known. Then if you want to have more questions, you can click on FAQ and check out the questions you might have. These are some of the questions they have on the platform that people had already asked, so you can assess and find out what this platform holds more. Have you ever been to a place that you want to explore the place, you want to explore the city, but you don't really know how to go about it, and that moment you're wishing you know somebody that could take you around? Now this is where this particular platform comes in. It is called RentAFriend. Now let's say you're on holidays, and where you are, you really want to know what is going on around the area, you want to explore it. You could go to RentAFriend, sign up there, and rent somebody that will take you around, just like a tourist guide, right? And the person will take you around and you pay them. So if you're somebody in your vicinity, you know a lot about where you live, and you want to make extra money, you could actually go to RentAFriend, put up your profile there. People contact you, people that will come to that area will contact you, and you take them around, show them places, and you get paid. So this particular platform is very good because so many tourists are using this platform to make money. And even the local people are using it to make money from tourists as well. And let me remind you that it's not just for showing people around and all of that. No, people can actually rent a local friend for other purposes. Now there is Meete App. This is an app now. So Meete App is just like Tinder, where you are gonna be connected to people around you, people nearby. So when you download this app and you sign up, you will be connected. Your profile will be shown to people that are in the same area as you. So you find out that it's easy to meet up, get together, go for drinks and all of that. This app is good if you're someone that wants to socialize around the area where you are living. It's very good. So it allows you to make new friends. It allows you to know people in the area. There's Meet a Cyber Friend. So with Meet a Cyber Friends, you find friends online. It's just like a dating app, dating website. So you find friends online, maybe friends that you have known before, or you want to make new friends. This is the platform for you. If you want to get connected to people, sign up to this platform. And if you want people to get connected to you as well, you sign up to the platform, and you find out that people are gonna reach out to you and get connected. So there's another one that is called Friendpc. With Friendpc, you can get a virtual friend online. You can book a virtual friend online with Friendpc. And now how does it work? Just sign up to the platform. Someone can reach out to you, or you can reach out to someone depending on what you want. And that's how you book for a virtual friend that could keep you company if that is what you want, that could speak to you on the phone. This one, they also have an affiliate program whereby you introduce somebody via your affiliate link and you get paid money as long as they remain on the platform. Okay, so yeah, so you book a virtual friend for emotional support. Remember, there are people out there, they want people to support them emotionally, they are lonely, and yeah, so this is where they come to book virtual friends. So if you have signed up to become a virtual friend and somebody books you, that person is going to pay you. So what do you do for them? Because you're a virtual friend, you just talk to them on the phone, comfort them, give them company via the phone, emotional support, and all of that. And they pay you, right? Many people are making a lot of money by this platform, Friendpc. Okay, so this is how this platform works, guys. So guys, that is all we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.